show you something, but don't tell anyone. These seeds from SMACKIN, they hit differently. Not too salty, not too small. Every flavor got its own vibe. And this one, backyard barbecue, it tastes like summer in a stadium. And the crunch, hold on a second. I munch these while gaming, chilling, even while riding my bicycle. And bro, the bag's gone faster than I want. But hey, no stress, just grab the whole bucket right away. No joke, I already bought another one, cause they're so addictive. And right now, they're on sale.